So Tyler and I happened to be driving through Alabama and decided to make a quick little pit stop out here to Gadsden to see our friend Jonathan.
Hey guys.
So we're over here at his place, Evoke Aviation and Plane Schemer, and you guys are the ones who are doing everything for our RV10.
Yes.
Yeah.
Not everything, just the paint.
Well, no,
color,
yes.
to make it shiny.
And make it pretty.
Yeah.
Yes. So they've won quite a few awards with the planes that they've done at Oshkosh, and gosh, almost everybody I think in our EAA chapter now is using you guys for their planes.
Quite a few.
So we're super pumped. Jonathan's awesome. We were lucky enough to get to hang out with him at Osh this year. It was really fun. But we're just gonna do a quick little behind the scenes and kind of show you what their setup is here that we're super pumped to get to be using to design and paint our plane.
Alright guys, so welcome to Plane Schemer. We are in the design office now. We're kind of like everybody comes to start their project, and this is where the magic happens. We do tons of designs here, and it all happens here at our little office space. So we'll go down here and check out what everybody's doing. So first office up here on the left. This is where I call home most of the time. We've got vinyl plotters in there, big screens. I've got a little section in the back where we match colors and do paint color matching when the sun's not out. So we've got lights we can shine on there and look at different. Well, let's check it out. Let's just go check it out. So it's a little bit of a mess. We've got a lot of projects going. We've got a lot of different colors we're putting together for different airplanes. But when the sun's not out or we're matching colors at night, we've got these nice UV lights we can shine on there, and you can really take a look at what these colors look like under the light. It's a lot of fun. It can be overwhelming. There's thousands of colors to choose from, but we try to make it pretty easy for you. Now, since we're done looking at my messy office, we're gonna go back here and check out where a little more of the magic happens. We got Ty here. She cuts our graphics and vinyls for all these airplanes. We've got a 60-inch plotter in here, stacks of vinyl ready to go. And we cut graphics for everybody. We cut them for our paint shop here. We cut them and ship them out all over the country, and gosh, sometimes internationally. All right, everybody keep your voices down. We're heading into the think tank, the steam room. So this is where the team has combined forces. We've got Sammy over there in the corner. Everybody knows Plane Schemer Sammy, Chris, and Elena. These are the people who are making these designs happen and bringing them to life.
This is our friend Daryl's plane. He's actually in our EA chapter. He used to live in our neighborhood and everything. Has helped us out. But so it's kind of cool because he literally just came by yesterday and dropped off his plane to get started.
All right, so now we've seen what the airplanes look like when they first get here. We'll go to the bodywork department where all the metal gets prepped, all the fiberglass gets finished, and then those guys push that over to the paint shop. So we'll go check out the first stop for your airplane. All right, so we are standing in the first stop for your aircraft when it comes here for paint. So this is where we do all the aluminum prep, fiberglass prep, composite work. We finish fairing in all the parts where you might have had a little bit of an issue. We fill pinholes, we do everything to get the aircraft ready for paint. This is really where a lot of the work and a lot of the time goes into the aircraft to making sure that final finished product looks awesome. Alright guys, so we are standing in the Evoke Aviation paint facility. Behind me we've got a F1 rocket. We're getting it ready for the third color that's going on there today. We've got all the airplane's been laid out, the stripes are all on it. The team's back here taping it up, making the final little touches and tweaks before they start to put the color on there. We've got parts that are going to the same plane here beside us. Those will go in with the airplane. Everything will get painted at the same time. We're doing it a blue metallic. We want all the colors to match, so we'll paint everything at once. Yeah, we'll just kind of check out what's going on in here, see what the guys are doing. Also, wanted to show you guys really quick. This is the vinyl paint mask that you saw the team making up in the first office. This is what it looks like after it's been cut out, put on the transfer paper, and then actually here's the next step. So when we start doing the layout on the wings, this is what that mask material looks like after we apply it to the base coat. And so this is actually going to be the foundation for our stripes, and it saves a lot of handwork, and it gets us those really perfect, nice, crispy lines and perfect stripes every single time.
That wraps up our behind the scenes tour here with Jonathan. I'll be sure to leave the links for Evoke Aviation and Evoke Aircraft Design down below in case you have any questions. Be sure to tell them that you saw this Plane Lady video. But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this behind the scenes tour. If you did, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so for more videos like these and to follow along as we build our RV-10.